And on staying with security matters, the Chief of Defense Staff, General Christopher Musa, believes to successfully tackle insecurity, Nigerians have to partner the military by sharing useful information. Senior correspondent Ivy Kanu has details, and will return with business news.
They are drawn from the Nigerian Army, Nigerian Navy, and Nigerian Air Force. It's a workshop put together by Emergency Crisis and Disaster Risk Management Institute, aimed at improving relations between military and the people.
The civil population should be seen as our partners of information gathering and sharing. All efforts might be made by members of the Nigerian Armed Forces to educate our civil population about our activities and make them see us as partners in the areas of their security and development.
The guest speaker, while advocating for provisions of more surveillance drones for the military, said to provide information civilian populace must be made to feel safe.
We're doing a lot of, renovations, a lot of constructions, a lot of boreholes in the battlefield, engaging the civilian populace in conflict areas. And also I've advised that the military should start putting out their good work out there so that we don't write them off when an officer or a soldier go astray.
It was an avenue to also meet minds on some salient issues such as civilians' perception of the military, treatment by civilians, and others.
It may not be much if it's advertised at the factory for 100 naira. You remove all the taxes and throw it to the barracks. Then in the barracks, you ensure that a particular soldier does not buy more than his fair share.
When you hear that the terrorists attack in location, that news filters over and over and over. Sometimes 2 weeks after the incident, you will still be hearing about that news. But now, when you get these positive things that the military is doing, you talk about it once, maybe the following day, and then that's just it.
Information gathering and sharing is very important. The military cannot achieve this without the civilian populace. So we are looking at ways we can work together.
One major takeaway here is the genuine desire for the military to change how they are perceived. Ivy Kanu, TVC News, Lagos.